Get ready to power your home with the solar generator 500 watt. This innovative solution harnesses the power of the sun to generate clean and renewable energy, providing you with reliable electricity whenever you need it. Never worry about blackouts or running out of fuel again. Enjoy the convenience of having a silent, cost-effective, and pollution-free source of energy that can be used anywhere in the world. Get Solar Generator 500 watt today and start powering your life with clean energy. Number 1. BALDR Portable Power Station. This BALDR portable power station allows you to take your power needs with you wherever you go, whether camping in the wilderness, taking a road trip, or heading out for an outdoor adventure. This handy mobile power station provides 500 W of continuous pure sine wave AC inverter and a 400 Wh lithium-ion battery that can last up to 8 to 10 hours on full charge, with 120V AC outlet, 2 x USB-A and 1 x USB-C ports. It ensures maximum versatility. Plus, the included solar panel port allows users to access renewable solar energy and recharge easily while outdoors. The lightweight design makes it easy to transport, while its wireless control app offers real-time power monitoring from your smartphone device from anywhere in the world. Enjoy endless possibilities with BALDR portable power station. Number 2. 518WH 500W Solar Power Station. The Atom Power 500W 518WH portable power station solar generator is the perfect companion for any outdoors enthusiast. With 500 W of power and an amazing 518 Wh capacity battery, this generator is ideal for camping trips, RV journeys, or emergency use during blackouts. Equipped with 2 AC ports, 1 CIG socket, and 4 USB ports, you can easily charge multiple devices at once and keep the lights on no matter where your adventures take you. Plus, it includes 2 removable LED lights to help illuminate your campsite or backyard party. Take your outdoor experience to the next level with ATEM Power's portable power station solar generator, a must-have item for every outdoor enthusiast. Number 3. APAL King 500W portable solar generator. APAL King camping generator with AC outlet is designed for your outdoor hiking, camping, tailgating, fishing, hunting, party, RV trips, and so on. It supports charging for many devices like mini refrigerators, drones, lights, or speakers, and it can act as CPAP battery backup power supply for your night, with the easy-to-carry handle. APAL King battery backup power supply is perfect for outdoor and indoor use. Slightly larger than a toaster, it can easily fit in the trunk of a minivan or anywhere in the house. Whenever you need an AC power source, you can always be prepared for the next adventures, anytime. With this reliable portable battery pack with AC outlet, this portable power bank with solar plug outlet is suitable for home use to keep your home security system, light and phone charged in emergency blackout. It's a must-have emergency supply. It's also a reliable backup power battery for your office devices such as router, laptop, and etc.